Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a little crazy right now, but that's because I'm not wearing makeup. Because in today's video, I will be going to one of the best social media rated makeup artists in my city. I have seen a lot of people go to the least rated makeup artist in their city, and I wanted to do the opposite of those videos, going to the best one. I decided not to look up the makeup artist on Google because there's a lot of makeup artists out there that don't have their own business, and they usually just do people's makeup at their own house. I posted a status on Facebook and told people to recommend me makeup artists, and a lot of people mentioned this one makeup artist that I personally have met before, and she honestly does an amazing job, and I've always wanted to get my makeup done by her. So I decided, why not get my makeup done with her for this video. So that's what I am going to do. I'm going to be going to her house and just going to do my makeup. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe. And also, I decided to name this video one of the best because I know there's so many great makeup artists here in my city that I probably don't even know of. And I hope you guys enjoy. So this is her. Say hi.
Hello. It was so much fun doing Alondra's makeup. I mean, she did my makeup for the first time. Was it like a year ago?
Yeah, like a year ago.
Like a year ago, and now she got to experience it. So it was a really nice experience, and
yes.
I hope there's more.
And if you guys want to get your makeup done by her, you want to tell them about it?
You can go ahead and send a message to my Facebook at LizMUA or my Instagram, CRCLiz. She will post the details at the bottom.
Hey guys, so I'm back at my house and I'm gonna tell you guys my final thoughts on the makeup look that she did. So to begin with, I'm gonna start off by talking about the eyebrows. So I really liked how she did the eyebrows because they look really natural, but at the same time they look really defined, because I'm so used to doing my eyebrows really dark, especially because I'm really insecure about my natural eyebrows since they are really light. But she made them look like really natural but defined, if that makes sense. I really like the foundation. The contour looks really soft. Next up, I want to talk about the lips because I really liked how she did the lips. So she added nude lipstick, and then, well, first she outlined them and then she added the nude lipstick, and she also added some gloss with it. And like, I'm not used to wearing gloss, I never wear any, and I feel like it just makes my lips look really nice. So the eyeshadow look that she did, I really liked it because it's a eyeshadow that you could wear out to a party, but then it's also an eyeshadow that you could wear as an everyday look. And then she also added some eyeliner. I haven't done my eyeliner in a long time, so when I first started doing makeup I would wear eyeliner all the time, and I don't know, I just randomly stopped wearing eyeliner because I got lazy, I guess. Or because it's like a hit and miss if it comes out good or if it doesn't come out good, and I feel like I might just go back to doing my eyeliner. So I definitely recommend her. She did a really nice job, and if you guys want to get your makeup done by her, I'll be leaving her information down below in the description box, that way you guys can contact her. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.